Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to the class. We completed the first chapter. Now, let's move on to the second. Features of Windows 10. Okay, features of Windows 10. Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the latest operating system. It has several new features which make it easier to use and more efficient than earlier version of Windows operating system. Okay, Microsoft Windows 10 is one of the latest operating system available in the market, and it has several new features which make it easier to use and more efficient than earlier versions of Windows operating system. Okay, so which one we are using now, that is called Windows Microsoft 10. Okay, earlier we were using Windows 7, Windows 8, then your uh, Windows 2000 XP. This all operating system we were using in earlier time. Now we got the latest one, that is called Microsoft Windows 10. Why it is better than the previous one? Because it has several new features which makes it easier to use and more efficient than earlier one. Okay, let us learn some more features of Windows 10. Okay, switching between running programs. Let's see about the switching between running programs. Windows 10 supports multitasking. Multitasking means simultaneously you can do more than one work. Okay, it enables you to run more than one program at the same time. How? For example, you can see you can use Paint program to draw a picture. You can play media player to listen song, and at the same time you can scan your computer for the viruses. At the same time you can do, okay, three program you can do simultaneously. That is called multitasking. The taskbar display the icons of programs currently running on the desktop. Okay, the taskbar help you to see which all the programs is running in the desktop. You can easily switch from the one program to another using either taskbar or the keyboard. Okay, you can switch your program one to another using the taskbar as well as your keyboard. Okay, this is about switching between running programs. Now let's see switching between running programs using taskbar. How we can switch the program using taskbar? Let us see. First, what you need to do, move the mouse pointer over the icons of the program on the taskbar you want to switch to. Okay, what you need to do first, you have to move the cursor, okay, the mouse pointer over the icon program which one you want to change. When you will move the cursor to that icon, what will happen? Window will display a small thumbnail, okay, a small picture of the program window. Now what you need to do next? Click the thumbnail of the program. You have to click the thumbnail of the program, so that what will happen? The program window will appear. Okay, getting how to switch one program to another? Now let's see about the switching between running program using task view. Earlier what we learned? How to switching the program using taskbar. Now let us see how to use that task view. The task view is a new feature in Windows 10. It is a new feature in Windows 10. You can use it quickly switch between current running programs. Why we are using this? To switch programs quickly from the current running program. Okay, how to do it? Let's see. On the taskbar, click the task view. When you will click on the task view button, Windows display thumbnails of all running programs on the screen. When you will click on the task view program, the window will display a thumbnail of all running programs. Getting? Now click the thumbnail of the program you want to switch to. Which program you want to go or join or move to that program, you need to click on that thumbnail so that it will be selected. The selected program window is displayed in the front. After getting selected, that window or that program will going to display in the front or in the on the desktop. Okay, now let's see switching between running program using keyboard. How to switch running program using the keyboard? We learned how to use taskbar, how to use task view, okay, to switch the program. Now let's see with the help of keyboard how we can switch the running program. So what you need to do first, press and hold the Alt key. What you have to do, you have to press the Alt key. In keyboard you will get the Alt key, you have to press it, then press Tab key to see the thumbnail of all the programs. Then what you have to do, you have to press Tab key to see the thumbnails of all the running program, then press Tab key repeatedly until the thumbnail of the program you want to switch to the highlight. Okay, what you need to do, first you have to press the Alt key, same time you have to press the Tab. When you will click to the Tab button and continuously you have to press it repeatedly until unless you reach to the program which you want to switch. When it will highlight the program, you have to release the Alt key. Okay, then the program will select and it will going to display in your or on your desktop. Okay, in the front. Now let's discuss about organizing programs with multiple desktop. Okay, organizing programs with multiple desktop. Windows 10 allows you to create multiple desktop, each with its own running programs window. Okay, Windows 10 will allow you to create multiple desktops, each with its own running programs windows. Okay, each desktop include only the windows of the program that you have open in it. Okay, how it will help you? The Windows will help you to create multiple desktop, and in each desktop is on running programs. Okay, so that each desktop include only the windows of the operating that you have opened in it. Getting? Don't get confused, it's simple. Normally when you are using other operating system, you will get only one desktops, but when you are using Windows 10, it will allows you to create multiple desktop, and not only multiple desktop, but in each Windows it will allow you to create its own program. Okay, own running program. Okay, including what it will help in desktop, including only the windows of the program that you have opened, not others one. It makes your computer screen easier to manage and less cluttered. Okay, what it will help? It help you to manage your screen and less clutters in your desktop or computer screen. For example, if you see, you may have a desktop for office applications, Word and PowerPoint, and another desktop for image editing applications such as Paint and TuxPaint. Okay, are you getting? You are having two desktops. One desktop is having office application like your Word and PowerPoint. Another one is having image editing application like your Paint and TuxPaint. You can add a new desktop. Okay, already you are having two desktop and another you can add there. Switch from one desktop to another and move program from one desktop to another using the task view button on the taskbar. Okay, how you can add one more? Simply you have to use the task view button and you have to move from one to another running programs, so that it will give you option to add the program. So adding a new desktop we will learn in next class. Okay, the remaining points we will discuss in next class. So today what we learned about the Windows 10. Okay, and the different feature which is available in Windows 10, switching between running programs. Okay, switching between running programs using taskbar, switching between running programs using task view, then switching between running programs using keyboard. Now organizing programs with multiple desktops. Okay, so today we learned this much. In next class we will going to discuss about adding a new desktop and so on. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye.